So I got ahead of myself just a little bit, and I put in these bottom floor supports. I put both of them on, and I missed the fact that I had to tie in a couple of little screws onto the post. So we'll do that now. It's not the end of the world. It's very fine. So basically what we want to do is to take these little tiny screws again with the round panhead on the top, and they need to go in these singular holes here on all four corners. Here, here, and then on the front side, there's just one hole here, right there, and right there. So we're going to do that right now. Make sure you don't put them in these holes yet, because there's different screws that go in here. Again, these are going to hold the pneumatic arm that's going to support that back lid. All right, so we're on to step 7, and here's the part where we're going to put the floorboards into the deck box. Now, if you look closely here, you'll notice that each board, there's one A, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Bs, and then one C. Well, your C is this small little guy right here, and then the rest of them kind of look really similar, but there's a small difference in your A board, and that difference is right here. So on these corners, it's been slightly cut out so that the post can fit around here better. All right, so here's board B, and here's board A. You can kind of see the difference. So look out for that. Put that one aside. We're going to do board C, which is a small guy. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Bs, and then that last A board with the weird cutout on the corner at the very end. So we're starting off with board C, which is a small one. Just goes right in here like this. And then you've got, this is our A board. We're going to put that to the side for now. That's the one that fits there. And all these little guys, they're tongue and groove, they lock in like this. And the secret to this last one is you just reach up under here and push that up. It's a little tricky, but if you can just get it to go like that, and you're done.